Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you informative videos about various appliances and gadgets. In today's video, we are going to talk about convection oven microwave, which is becoming increasingly popular in households all around the world. We will be discussing what a convection oven microwave is and how it works. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. What is a convection oven microwave? A convection oven microwave is a kitchen appliance that combines the cooking methods of a microwave and a convection oven. It has a built-in fan and heating element that circulates hot air around the food, which cooks it more evenly and quickly than a traditional microwave. This appliance is ideal for those who want to save time while cooking, as it can cook food up to 25% faster than a regular oven or microwave. How does a convection oven work in a microwave? Now let's dive into how the convection oven works inside a microwave. As mentioned earlier, it has a built-in fan and heating element that circulates hot air around the food. This is accomplished through the use of a fan that is located at the back of the oven. The fan pulls in cool air from the room, heats it up using the heating element, and then blows it over the food. One of the significant advantages of a convection oven microwave is that the hot air circulation ensures that the food is cooked evenly. It means that the food gets cooked thoroughly on all sides, and there are no cold or hot spots, which often happens with a traditional microwave. Another advantage of a convection oven microwave is that it can cook food more quickly than a regular oven or microwave. The hot air circulation speeds up the cooking process, which means that you can have your food ready in less time. This appliance is ideal for those who want to save time while cooking or those who have a busy lifestyle. How to cook with a convection oven microwave. Cooking with a convection oven microwave is quite simple and easy. You can use it to cook a variety of dishes, including roasted meats, baked goods, and even vegetables. To cook with a convection oven microwave, follow these simple steps. Preheat the oven. This appliance requires preheating, just like a traditional oven. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to preheat the oven to the desired temperature. Choose the right cookware. Use oven-safe cookware that is suitable for convection cooking. Glass, ceramic, and metal dishes are ideal for use in a convection oven microwave. Set the cooking time and temperature. Set the cooking time and temperature according to the recipe you are using. Most convection oven microwaves have preset cooking modes that make it easy to cook various dishes. Monitor the cooking process. Keep an eye on the food while it is cooking, and adjust the time and temperature if necessary. In conclusion, a convection oven microwave is a versatile appliance that combines the cooking methods of a microwave and a convection oven. It uses hot air circulation to cook food evenly and quickly, making it ideal for those who want to save time while cooking. This appliance is easy to use and can cook a variety of dishes, including roasted meats, baked goods, and vegetables. We hope you found this video informative, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.